If you want to go ahead and create out forms and then analyze data that you collected out of those forms, one of the tools that you can use is Jotform, which is accessible by going to jotform.com on the browser of your choice. So once you go around over here, you can see that you have an option to sign up with one of these accounts right here, or you can even see sign up for free right here. You can go ahead and click, and then what happens is that you can sign up using one of these social media accounts, or you can go ahead and type in your email address that you want to go ahead and sign up with as well, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and then create my email. I'm going to go ahead right here and then type in my name as TutorTube, and I'm just going to use the strong password itself, and I'm going to agree to the terms and terms of services privacy policy. You can go ahead and read it to see what it says, to be sure what you're agreeing to. And once you agree, you can go ahead and create out your account now. So you need to prove you're not a robot, of course, right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and then sign in. So you can see that it says help us understand your needs. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in, let's say, for example, youtube.com/tutortube right here. The organization name is TutorTube. Job title, I'm just going to go ahead and say educator. Industry is going to be education right here. You can even skip this if you don't want to keep this right here. You can see that the password is saved right here. So let's just go around and continue out right here. So this is what you have. And if you don't want to do all this, you can simply go ahead and skip out as well. And then you'll be redirected onto Jotform right here, just like this, and you get access to your dashboard. So you can see right here, so you can actually see the main window. It says create your first form. You can go ahead and choose a template to start creating as well. And then if you were to see it here, you can see your username right here. It's there, and now you can go ahead and start creating your job form. So as we progress through this course, we're going to go ahead and see how we can create form in different ways and manage out different categories of information collection methods in the form and learn everything that you need to know regarding job form. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.